Ramon Magsaysay's accomplishments include effectively suppressing the Hapula Rebellion, implementing social and governmental reform, ascertaining ties with the United States, and championing the welfare of the common Filipino people. He is known as the champion of the masses. Carlos P. Garcia's accomplishments include promoting Filipino entrepreneurship through the Filipino First Policy, advocating for nationalism, and fostering cultural diplomacy. He also signed the Central Bank Act of 1949, laying the groundwork for the establishment of the Central Bank of the Philippines. Diosdado Macapagal, the ninth President of the Philippines, served from 1961 to 1965. His term was marked by effort to stimulate the economy, fight corruption, and promote social reform. Ferdinand Marcos' presidency, which leads from 1965 to 1986, is a complex and controversial period in the Philippines history. During his first term, he focused on infrastructure development and implement a technocratic style of governing. Corazon Aquino, the 11th President of the Philippines, served from 1986 to 1992. Her presidency is legally defined by her role in restoring democracy after the People Power Revolution and implementing significant political and economic reform. She is often referred to as the mother of the democracy. Fidel V. Ramos, who served as President of the Philippines from 1992 to 1998, is credited with revitalizing the Philippines economy and fostering peace and ability. Joseph Estrada, the third President of the Philippines, served from 1998 to 2001. His term was marked by pro-war policies and effort to promote economic development. Although Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, the fourth President of the Philippines, served from 2001 to 2010. Her presidency focused on turning the Philippines into a strong republic through economic growth and poverty reduction. Benigno Aquino, also known as the Noynoy Aquino or Pinoy, served as the 15th President of the Philippines from 2010 to 2016. His administration focused on good governance, anti-corruption efforts, and economic reform. Rodrigo Duterte, President 2016 to 2022, focused on several key areas, generating both significant achievements and considerable controversy. It seems you're asking about the accomplishment of Ferdinand Marcos Jr. presidency since the assumed office in 2022. Here's summary based of the provide documents.